Is a Python dictionary an example of a hash table? One of the basic data structures in Python is the dictionary, which allows one to record keys for looking up values of any type. Is this implemented internally as a hash table? If not, what is it?
Yes, it is a hash mapping or hash table. You can read a description of Python's dict implementation, as written by Tim Peters, here. That's why you can't use something not hashable as a dict key, like a list. You can read more about hash tables or check how it has been implemented in Python and why it is implemented that way.
There must be more to a Python dictionary than a table lookup on hash. By brute experimentation, I found this hash collision. Yet it doesn't break the dictionary. Sanity check. Possibly there's another lookup level beyond hash that avoids collisions between dictionary keys. Or maybe dict uses a different hash. By the way, this in Python the 2nd of July 2010. Same story in Python 3.4.3 and 3.5.0 with a collision at hash 1.1 equals hash 214,748,749.8. I haven't found any collisions in Python 3.9.6. Since the hashes are bigger, hash 1.1 equals 230 quadrillion 584 trillion 300 billion 921 million 369,601. I estimate it would take my desktop 1,000 years to find one. So I'll get back to you on this.
Yes. Internally it is implemented as open hashing based on a primitive polynomial over z/2, source.
To expand upon Nosklo's explanation,
if you want to see more, please consider subscribing.